and welcome back to Tomahawk Fab Works. I've been having trouble getting the brakes bled out of this Pontiac, and I made a mistake here. I had the front calipers on in reverse. I'll show you here. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to go on. And before, I had a mechanic, a trusted friend and mechanic, come out here and look at this and discovered that I'd put these on backwards because the bleeder screws were on the bottom and they're supposed to be on the top, right? Like this. So, okay, so now I'm getting these things turned around, and so this is the way it's supposed to go on. I don't know if there's enough light back here. No, there is not. Okay. So I go to reattach the brake line and check this out. So look at how this is cut here, right? So this is only going to go on one way. Flip this around the way it's supposed to go. Right, so it's only going to go on like this. I'll get it on there and show you. Okay, so just because this is made the way it is, this is the only way the brake line's going to go on. And look at where it's going. It's going right into the spindle here and sway bar hardware, and this is just like, yeah, this isn't, I don't think anybody'd want this. So I already did this to the other side. So I've taken a die grinder and milled out this end, and I'll show you the result when I get done here. Okay, so I got the yeah, I just cut a notch out, so it could face the other way. See, I put them on backwards in the first place because of this. Because in the previous shot you saw where that hose went, and I just couldn't figure out why the hell it would go that way. But let's get this thing on, and we'll see what you can see what it looks like after that. Okay, so here it is. It's all back on. And so now the brake line's facing the other way. I don't know. I think this is better. I rarely get comments on my videos, so if you could comment on this, it'd be great. I'm just going to leave this one really short. Try bleeding it again, see where it goes. Hopefully it'll be a positive result. I've been struggling with this thing and it's driving me crazy. So if you're watching my content, you made it to the end of this short little video, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Have a good summer.